Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. But before moving forward to the details of this video, I have a very simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed my channel yet, then kindly please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Before moving forward, if you like my video, then please don't forget to like and kindly do share my videos with a number of your friends and family. Thank you for your support. Now let's move to the details. Friends, all of these designs are very decent, lightweight, light color and delicate color combination, and they are entirely made up of 3 layers with inner fold filter pockets, and these are extremely designed for your health and safety measure from this pandemic situation COVID-19, which have been terminated and taken a second round with a more dangerous and heavy effects on human beings. So it is very important for us to take care of ourselves, and wearing face mask is the possibility to stay protected from this situation. All of these designs are pretty and they could be used for office work, everyday use, and even for your party wear as well. These masks will also be used as bridal masks for wearing with white soft net gowns, maxis. Friends, these are also termed as chicken curry masks, soft cotton, hygienic, organic fabric masks. So I hope that this information was enough for you to persuade you to wear masks and especially design these masks for you, because they give a very decent touch of class and style to your dress code as well. So friends, allow me to leave. We will soon be back with you along with some new trendy ideas. Up till then, take care of yourselves and stay motivated, spread positivity and be a cause of positive motivation for others, and help your friends and family to achieve their desired goals. So keep supporting us, keep loving us, and keep watching our content. And if you have any queries or preferences of interest, comment below this video. We will surely answer your queries.